My name is BJ Frog. I am from community of Wahilla. I am of the Wolf Clan. I am full-blood Cherokee. Stickball means to culture to me, I guess you can say like good medicine to me. Because like when you go out there and play, you feel good about it. It also means like leaving a legacy behind for future generations. Benefits health-wise, because it promotes exercising. You're running full blast, you're stopping. You're getting your good motor skills, hand-eye coordination. Basically, just the love of the game. Because like we try to promote honoring our elders for this, because they're the ones that taught us, and that goes real deep with me. Because I grew up, respecting elders and all that, and learning from them. And I like to take all the stuff they taught me, and now since I'm getting older, I'll try to pass it on to where I can. I got a 16-month-old daughter that I already got sticks for, and I'm going to teach her how to play.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Dainiki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwaru Ta, Torigun.
Today we are making cranberry wild rice. First we will show you how to make the wild rice. For the wild rice you will need 1.5 cups of water, half a cup of wild rice, a medium saucepan, and a spoon. Add water to the saucepan and bring to a boil. When the water starts to boil, stir in rice. Reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for about 55 minutes. Now let's make our cranberry wild rice recipe. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of wild rice, cooked, half a cup of cranberries, dried, 1 tablespoon of honey, cinnamon to taste, 1/4 cup of walnuts. In a medium bowl, mix rice and cranberries. Add honey and cinnamon. Stir to combine. This recipe uses dried cranberries. The Otoe word for cranberries is Otoe-Missouria. Native Americans introduced cranberries to the colonists when they arrived in North America. They used cranberries in many dishes just like we do today. Try this dish with other berries when in season. Instead of dried cranberries, try fresh cranberries, strawberries, or blackberries. Next, top with walnuts if using. And instead of walnuts, you could try pecans, almonds, or sunflower seeds. Serve warm or chilled as a sweet treat. Add low-fat or fat-free milk to make a creamy breakfast cereal. This recipe makes 3 servings. 1 serving is half a cup. Enjoy!